So, hey guys, welcome back with another video on Hacktify Diaries, where you get to learn about cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and also I provide help related to CEH, eJPT, and other certification exams. If you are a student or if you are working as a professional, and if you want to become a certified ethical hacker, or if you are planning to become a CEH master, then this video is only for you. And this is a good place where you will get everything, each and everything in a very detailing point, and what you need to do, what are the things required to become a CH masters, or to get in any other certification like CH, EGPT, or if you are planning to become a certified red team operator, CRTO, anything you are preparing. And if you are get stuck somewhere, if you are confused like what to do, where to do, and how to do, so I am here to help you out. And if you need any kind of help, you can just ping me on description, or you can connect with me over my channel. So let's get started without further any delay. So guys, in this video I am gonna cover some very important points for those people who are preparing for the air CH. Okay, now many of them, those who purchase only practicals. Okay, the problem is people purchase the practical vouchers and they don't know how to do the practice, because if you are purchasing the CH practical voucher, you will not gonna get the lab access. Okay, the EC Council will not gonna provide you any lab access. If you want iLab access, which they provide for the 6 months, you need to purchase the master vouchers, in which the allied package they provide each and everything. Okay, so apart from that, before moving ahead, just a last and small request guys, if you are new to my channel, please, it's a big request, it's take a lot of time to make such videos. And you can see after 2 weeks I'm getting a time to upload another video for CH, and I'm gonna cover some very important points. And believe me guys, these points will really gonna help you all out, and you will appreciate this point that yes, this was very helpful. Apart from that, I've already discussed, covered the videos on CH and other topics also, like how this such a small Excel file can destroy your complete system. Apart from that, other things I have also covered, so that's not a point. So we'll focus on the points today. So just take an example, you purchase the CH practical vouchers, now you don't have the iLab access, so how you gonna do the practical lab access? Okay, so for that only I'm gonna discuss with some very important points. So let me tell you guys, they will gonna provide you their own parrot machine, which will be 6.0. but if you don't have that labs, you can create your own lab. So how you gonna do that? Let me just show you with a very quickly example. So what you have to do guys, just come back here, type the Wayback Machine, or don't need to type the Wayback Machine, you need to download Ubuntu 20.4 Wayback. Just do like this, okay, and you will get a Wayback Machine access like this, Ubuntu 20.4. just click on this, or you can just go for go to here also 20.4.6 LTS. And once you will click here desktop image, simply click on this 64-bit PC AMD 64. Okay, just check your, if you have a Mac, then you can go for the ARM, and if you have the Windows, then you can go for the AMD 64. Okay, so you need to first download this image file, and second is your own Windows Server 2016 Wayback Machine. You need to download this. Come here, Internet Archive Wayback Machine is basically like a time machine. What you can do, you can come here and you can download the old machine, old iOS, which is not available right now on the internet, or if you are trying to download, you getting some error. So you can just come here on the Wayback Machine, come here, download the ISO file image. So guys, once you download with this installation thing, so what you can do, just come here on your VirtualBox or the VMware or whatever you are using. The way I have set up here, you can see the Spider-Man machine, my Kali machine, and my Ubuntu machine. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll just open my this machine, and the Kali is already turned on. So what you can do, set up your Kali machine. There is no difference between the Parrot and the Kali machine. Both distros are same, as equivalent. They are doing the performing, giving the outputs, results, and everything. Only the thing is, you need to set up your Ubuntu machine first of all, then you need to set up your Windows Server second. Oh sorry, Windows Server. Or apart from that, if you don't want to go for the Windows Server, what you can do, you can just come here, download the Windows 11. Okay, there will be two machines in the exam. First machine will be the Parrot, and second machine will be the Windows 11. That's only I can tell you. Further you need to identify by your own, but whatever I'm telling you right now, you need to just download the Windows 11. First of all, download the Windows 11, then download the 20.46 LTS version, this one. And once you will download with this, you need to be good with your, first of all, you need to good with your enumerations. the much you will find out the details about your target, the better you will perform the attacks. Okay, so let me just get login into my machine, and here we are. So once you'll get the login, it's a very simple, it's like you don't need to do anything, just set up the both the machine inside the NAT networks or the bridge networks. Make sure whatever you are setting up, make sure both machines should be on same network, then only you will be able to perform the attacks. Okay, so this is my Ubuntu machine 20.4 LTS, and here is my Kali Linux machine, which is the latest. Okay, so you can use the Kali Linux, or if you want to go for the Parrot 6.0, then you can go for that also. Okay, but I used to prefer Kali Linux, but let me tell you, in the exam you will not gonna get the Kali Linux. In the exam you will get the Parrot machine, so better get hands on with Parrot. So now here our lab is done, our lab setup is done. Now you need to be good hands on with your Nmap tool, with your Wiresharks. You need to learn how to run the RDP commands, how to run the Nmap commands, how to get the scripting commands, and all that you need to understand how basically it's work. Okay, once you're done with each and everything, set up your own DVWA setups and all that things, set up your own lab environments, do the practice, go on the hack the boxes, solve the machines to understand the core concepts of privilege escalations, performing the vertical escalations, how to perform the damn vulnerable web application attacks, learn how the Wi-Fi application, wireless applications attacks work, learn about something IoTs and all that things. So all this thing will gonna help you, to do the more efficient practice. And still if you're getting some doubt, if you don't understand what you have to do, so guys, please try to understand, this is enough. Okay, I'm not saying you that I'm not giving you any guarantee, but I'm saying you that I'm saying Punisher, sorry, one Ubuntu 20.4, set up your Kali, or rather than Kali, as I told you, there will be Parrot machine. So what you can do, just come here, search for the Parrot. Okay, like this. If you just go here and search for the Parrot also, it will gonna give you the Parrot ISO. Okay, so what you can do, you can just come here and download the Parrot ISO images file. And once you download, like you can see this Parrot, all these machines are there. Okay, not sorry, I'm really sorry for this, Parrot 6.0 or 1 once also you can download. Yeah, here it is, AMD 64. Okay, and you can just come here, download the IOC image, and then once you are done with the downloading things, you can start the attacks, you can do the practice. Okay, there is no need any official labs, you can do the practice from here also, setting up your own lab. The benefits of this is that you will learn how to create your own sandbox environment, how to do the own attacks, how to perform the attacks on your own environment, and this will gonna help you to become a more better penetration tester. If you'll do by your own, that will be more better to understand each and everything. So hope you guys understand that apart from that, there is not a major changes has been done by the EC Council, that the only AI parties came, which is we cannot say that it's a very big change has been made, but yeah, AI part something has been done by the EC Council. So you can but I will suggest you that there are other platform where you can just go and do the practice. But still, if you are planning to go for the CEH, so whatever the points I've told you guys, follow that point, focus on that. And apart from that, you can follow my all these videos, like how you can crack the CEH theory exams if you are preparing for the CEH theory exam, you can go for this. Or you can, if you want to know what is the latest update for the between the V2 12 and the V13, you can just go with this video. Now apart from that, you can also check my eJPT exam, how basically I cleared my eJPT in my first attempt. So you can just go and watch all this if you want. Okay, so that's it for today guys, we'll meet in the another video. If you have any doubt, don't forget to comment in comment section and press the bell icon to get the latest updates on my channel. So thank you guys, that's it, have a great day.